Hello students, today I will clear the concept regarding the conversion of temperature in different scales. Different scales such as degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Reaumur scale, etc. For this purpose, you have to know about 2 points, lower fixed point and upper fixed point of the scale. Lower fixed point is the point at which pure ice melts, and upper fixed point is the point at which water boils. For in degree Celsius, the lower fixed point is 0 degree Celsius and the upper fixed point is 100 degree Celsius. And in degree Fahrenheit, the lower temperature is 32 and the upper fixed point is 212. In Kelvin scale, the lower fixed point is 273 and the upper fixed point is 373. And in Reaumur scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degree and the upper fixed point is 80. And the difference between these 2 points in degree Celsius scales is 100 minus 0 is equal to 100 divisions. And in degree Fahrenheit, the difference between these 2 points is 212 minus 32 is 180 divisions. And in Kelvin scale, the difference between these 2 points 373 minus 273 equal to 100 divisions. And in Reaumur scale, the difference between these 2 points is 80 minus 0 equal to 80. To convert the temperature from one scale to another, the formula for that given temperature minus lower fixed point upon difference between the upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. If we take the degree Celsius, the formula will be C minus 0 upon upper fixed point is 100, lower fixed point is 0. In degree Fahrenheit, F minus lower fixed point is 32 and the upper fixed point is 212 minus 32. In Kelvin scale, K minus 273, which is the lower fixed point, and the difference between upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. And in Reaumur scale, this is R minus 0 upon 80 minus 0. If we simplified it, we get C by 100 equal to F minus 32 upon 180 equal to K minus 273 upon 100 equal to R upon 80. If we further simplified it, we get 0 cancels, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. And our final formula will be C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9 equal to K minus 273 by 5 equal to R by 4. Now let's take a problem. We have to convert minus 40 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. For this, we will take these two values equal to C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. We have given the temperature in degree Celsius, so we will put the value in this variable. Minus 40 upon 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. We will solve it. 5 8s are 40. Cross multiply. Minus 72 equal to F minus 32. F equal to minus 72. We will bring this number into left hand side. It will become plus sign. So F equal to minus 40. We see that we can convert one value into another value very easily. If we want to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, you can easily convert by taking these two values. Regarding this, I have some key points also. First, some students think that SI unit of temperature is degree Celsius. That is wrong. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin and it is written by capital K. Second, at minus 40 degree, temperature in Celsius scale and in Fahrenheit scale is equal. Thank you so much.